how to send money to friends and family on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can send money to friends and family on PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send money to friends and family on PayPal, all you have to do is open the PayPal app or maybe your browser and just go to paypal.com. Once you go to paypal.com, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now first of all, in order to send the money, you need to have some balance inside your PayPal account. So you need to just tap on link a card option. Make sure you link a card to your PayPal account so that you can go ahead and then load them accordingly. Once you've done that, you can simply enter your debit or credit card number, select your card type, the expiration date, and then simply add money to your PayPal account. After you've done that, just tap on these options over here. You should be able to go to this activated tab or the send option. Once you come to the send option over here, you will be able to go ahead and then simply enter other details. Once you enter these details, now you can go ahead, simply select the email address of the person you want to send the money to. You can enter the amount to send and the money will get successfully sent. This way you can send money to friends and family on PayPal. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.